Welcome to the exciting world of product development. This journey, from a simple idea to a tangible product, is at the heart of innovation. Understanding this process is crucial for aspiring entrepreneurs and established businesses alike. We will delve into each stage, unraveling the complexities and highlighting the key considerations. Whether you're envisioning a revolutionary gadget or a life-simplifying tool, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the path from concept to creation. Get ready to transform your ideas into reality. We'll uncover the secrets to turning your vision into a tangible product. Are you ready to unleash your creativity and make your mark on the world? Let's begin. Every product, from the humblest household item to the most sophisticated technological marvel, begins as a simple idea. This initial spark of inspiration is the seed from which innovation grows. But how do we capture this ephemeral spark and translate it into something tangible? The answer lies in the product design phase, where ideas take shape and transform into concrete concepts. This stage is all about visualization. We begin by sketching our ideas, giving them a visual form, even if it's just rough lines on paper. These sketches evolve into more detailed drawings, capturing the essence of the product's form and function. As our vision becomes clearer, we turn to digital tools to create virtual representations of our product. Computer-aided design, or CAD software, allows us to model our product in 3 dimensions, exploring its aesthetics and ergonomics with precision. The design phase is an iterative process, a constant dance between inspiration and refinement. This meticulous attention to detail in the early stages lays the foundation for a successful product. With a clear design in hand, we move to the prototyping phase, where our product begins to take on physical form. This stage is all about transforming digital renderings into tangible models that we can interact with and test. Prototyping is where theory meets reality, and it's crucial for identifying and addressing potential flaws early on. 3D printing has revolutionized prototyping, allowing us to create complex shapes and intricate details with incredible speed and accuracy. For larger-scale prototypes or those requiring specific material properties, CNC machining offers a precise and versatile solution. We subject our prototypes to rigorous testing, simulating real-world use cases and pushing them to their limits. This hands-on approach allows us to identify weaknesses, optimize performance, and ensure that the final product meets our high standards. Prototyping is an iterative process, much like the design phase. This iterative cycle of prototyping, testing, and refining is essential for creating a product that is both functional and desirable. With a refined prototype in hand, we turn our attention to material selection. The materials we choose dictate the look, feel, durability, and quality of our product. This decision requires careful consideration. Materials must align with the product's use and environment. Outdoor products need weather-resistant materials. Medical devices need biocompatible options. Cost is another critical factor. Sustainability is increasingly important. By considering these factors, we lay a solid foundation for a high-quality, functional, and sustainable product. Section 5. Manufacturing: scaling up your production. With the design finalized, we enter the manufacturing phase, transitioning from a small-scale concept to mass production. This stage is about finding the right partners and establishing efficient processes. The first step is deciding whether to keep manufacturing in-house or outsource it. Outsourcing provides access to specialized knowledge and economies of scale. We carefully select partners based on their capabilities and commitment to quality. Once chosen, we work closely to establish efficient production lines. By choosing the right partners and maintaining quality, we ensure our product meets the highest standards. Section 6. Protecting your ingenuity: the importance of patents. In the competitive landscape of product development, protecting your intellectual property is paramount. Patents provide legal protection for your inventions, granting you exclusive rights to make, use, and sell your product for a specified period. This protection is crucial for safeguarding your investment and preventing others from capitalizing on your ingenuity. Before filing for a patent, it's essential to conduct a thorough patent search. This involves researching existing patents and patent applications to ensure that your invention is unique and not already protected. Patent databases and professional patent attorneys can assist in this process. If your search confirms that your invention is novel, you can proceed with the patent application process. This involves drafting a detailed description of your invention, including its technical specifications, functionality, and potential applications. Patents not only protect your invention from infringement, but can also be licensed to other companies, generating additional revenue streams. Section 7. Navigating the patent labyrinth from search to filing. The patent process can seem daunting, but understanding its key steps can make it manageable. It all begins with a comprehensive patent search, meticulously combing through existing patents and applications to ensure your invention is unique and not already protected. Patent databases, both free and subscription-based, are your primary tools for this search. These databases allow you to explore patents based on keywords, inventors, and technology areas. While conducting a thorough search yourself is possible, seeking assistance from a professional patent searcher or attorney is highly recommended. Once you've confirmed the novelty of your invention, the next step is drafting the patent application. This document requires a detailed description of your invention, including its technical specifications, functionality, and potential applications. Finally, you'll submit your application to the relevant patent office, often with the assistance of a patent attorney. The patent office will review your application, and if it meets all the requirements, your patent will be granted. Section 8. The Launchpad. Preparing for market entry. With a patent securing your intellectual property, the focus shifts to preparing for market entry. This stage is crucial for transforming your invention from a protected concept into a commercially successful product. It involves strategic planning, meticulous execution, and a deep understanding of your target market. The first step is developing a comprehensive go-to-market strategy. This strategy outlines your target audience, their needs and preferences, your competitive landscape, and your unique value proposition. Next, you'll need to craft a compelling marketing plan. This plan will detail your brand messaging, communication channels, and promotional activities. Establishing efficient distribution channels is equally crucial. Will you sell directly to consumers through your website, partner with retailers, or explore a combination of both? By defining your strategy, crafting your message, and establishing your distribution channels, you'll be well positioned to introduce your product to the world and capture the attention of your target market. Section 9. Marketing and distribution. Reaching your target audience. Propel your product into the market and connect with your target audience. Communicate your product's value and make it available to those who need it. Marketing is pivotal in this phase. Craft compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Utilize online and offline channels to reach your audience. Ensure efficient distribution channels for convenience. Build relationships with influencers to amplify your efforts. Section 10. Building buzz. Generating excitement for your product. In today's crowded marketplace, simply launching a great product isn't enough. To truly capture attention and drive sales, you need to generate excitement, create anticipation, and build buzz around your product. This requires creativity, strategic thinking, and a deep understanding of your target audience. One effective approach is to leverage the power of storytelling. Craft compelling narratives around your product's development, highlighting its unique features, the problems it solves, and the positive impact it can have on people's lives. Share these stories through blog posts, social media content, videos, and even podcasts. Engage with your target audience directly. Utilize social media platforms to interact with potential customers, answer their questions, address their concerns, and build relationships. Encourage user-generated content such as reviews, testimonials, and product demonstrations to create a sense of community and authenticity around your brand. By crafting compelling narratives, engaging with your audience, and exploring creative launch strategies, you can generate the momentum needed to propel your product to success. Section 11. Embracing the journey from idea to impact. Congratulations! You've journeyed through the intricate world of product development, from the initial spark of an idea to the exhilarating launch of your creation. This process, while challenging, is ultimately incredibly rewarding, allowing you to transform your vision into a tangible product that can improve lives, solve problems, and make a real difference in the world. Remember, Product development is not a linear path but an iterative journey filled with twists, turns, and unexpected challenges. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Be adaptable, be persistent, and never be afraid to iterate and refine your approach based on feedback and changing market dynamics. Surround yourself with a passionate team, supportive mentors, and trusted advisors. Collaboration is key to navigating the complexities of product development. Embrace your creativity, pursue your passions, and never stop believing in the transformative power of a great idea.